Most travelers visit Glasgow during the day and think they've seen the city. But what happens when the crowds fade, the lights take over, and Glasgow reveals a completely different personality? Tonight, we're walking through some of the city's most vibrant streets, hidden corners, and unforgettable nighttime scenes that many visitors never get to experience. And trust us, some of the best moments happen when you least expect them. If discovering places exactly as they feel in real life is your kind of travel, subscribe to Tripinn and turn on the bell. Every week, we take you on immersive journeys that make you feel like you're already there. As darkness settles over Glasgow, the city doesn't slow down. It comes alive. Historic architecture, glowing streets, and the energy of thousands of people create an atmosphere that's impossible to ignore. What makes Glasgow special isn't just what you see. It's the feeling of wandering through streets where history, culture, and modern life blend together perfectly. Every turn reveals something new. From lively pubs and restaurants to busy squares filled with conversation and laughter, Glasgow's nightlife has a character all its own. This is the side of the city that keeps visitors coming back. By the way, if you're enjoying this walk so far, hit that subscribe button. Not because we ask, but because every subscription helps us bring more authentic walks from incredible destinations around the world directly to your screen. Look beyond the crowds and you'll discover stunning architecture, artistic details, and charming streets that often go unnoticed. These are the moments that make exploring a city at night so rewarding. As the evening deepens, Glasgow becomes even more beautiful. The reflections, the atmosphere, and the city's timeless character create a scene that feels almost cinematic. And that's our journey through Glasgow after dark. If this walk helped you experience the city in a way most tourists never do, consider joining the Tripinn community and turning on the bell so you never miss the next adventure. The world is full of incredible places waiting to be explored, and we're just getting started. Until next time, keep exploring with Tripinn.
Oh, yeah, I see.